Hello everyone, this is my eighth video of compound interest of chapter 2 by Agarwal book. In my last video, that was video number 7, because of some fault in camera, this sum was incomplete. We were solving question number 8 and we are about to reach the answer. So I am going to start from here only, then I will solve question number 9. And once again I will explain you the answer. If you want to see the detailed answer, please go back to video number 7. Here also I will explain you. Let me finish first of all the answer. So at the end we are going to solve that what is the compound interest. Compound interest will be final amount minus original principal, and this is final amount, so we have written 2541. And what was original principal? Let's see. Original principal was rupees 2000. So we will subtract to get the answer. So answer was 541 rupees. This is a compound interest. During explanation of video 7, I have used a statement that in another way also we can write down compound interest. That is, you just add all the interest. First year interest, what was that? This amount. Second year interest, this amount, that is I1 plus I2. And for the third year, that was not third year, that is second and half year. So for first year that was 200 rupees. For third year this was 220 rupees. And this is for third year, it is rupees 121. Please show the here. Rupees 121. Add it to 121. So here is 541. This is just for cross checking. This is the correct way. We have to write down in this way. That is for the cross checking. The first year interest, second year interest, third year interest. Overall this is compound interest. So once again I am going to explain you for this video. If you are not getting 7th video, so it is easy to understand what I did it here. See, in question number 8 it is given that what are the things which are given. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2000 and 10% per annum for 2.5 years compounded annually. So what we did in video 7 also, you can go through that. Given that principal is 2000, rate is 10%, timing is 2.5 years, final amount we have to find out, and compound interest we need to find out. So we solved in this way. Interest for first year, PRT by 100. Instead of writing I, we have written I1 for first year. For P we have written 2000. For timing, rate 10, and for first year 1. In place of T we have written 1, and we got the answer 200. Interest for first year is 200. So amount at the end of first year is P1 plus I. I have used a symbol A1. This is the indication that this amount is of first year. So 2000 plus 200, this is the amount at the end of first year, and this will be the principal for the second year. So we have used P2 as a symbol. Now interest of second year, I2, again now P2 R into T by 100. Now this is the principal for second year, and this interest is rupees 220. We added these two to get A2. So I have written here amount at the end of second year. A2 is P2 plus I2. So that was 2420, that is P3. Now after second year, the amount is for only for half year, because timing was, you just see the question, timing was 2.5 year. So this was not third year. That's why we have written interest for next half year. I3 is equals to P3 RT upon 100. What is P3? That was the amount I have written, given equal sign. Amount at the end of second year is equals to principal for next year, that may be third year or second and half year. So P3, what is P3? 2420. Rate is 10. And now in place of timing we have written 1 by 2, because this is not complete 1 year, this is half year. I have answered it here also. I3 is rupees 121, and our question was final amount. We need to find out final amount. So this is 2420 P3 plus I3, so 2541 is final amount. And what is compound interest? Compound interest is final amount minus original principal, that is 2541 minus 2000, that is rupees 541. And as I explained you in this video only, that we can cross check our compound interest in this way also. Now we are going to start question number 9. See what is given in question number 9. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 50,000 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum, the interest being compounded semi-annually. Why this question is different from other question? Here the interest is compounded semi-annually. So what are the things where we need to focus? It is not difficult, somebody easy one, but where we need to focus on this term semi-annually. Let's see what we need to do. Question number 9. What is given that P is equals to rupees 50,000 time is 1 by 2 years, but we'll convert it because the interest is compounded semi-annually, so it will be 3 by 2 1 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 into 2, that is 3 half years are there, 3 half years, and rate is given 8% annually, so it will become 4 by 2 8 by 2, that is 4% half yearly, compounded half yearly. Means in 1 year if we will get 8% rate, so in half year we will get 4% only. I hope it is clear. This line will make you clear to understand this line. Now our question is find the amount and compound interest. Therefore interest for first year is equals to what? I have used I1, that is your choice, you may write down I only. I1 is equals to what? We can use P1 into R into T upon 100. Instead of writing first year, we will write first half year. Interest for first half year, because we are solving for 3 half years, not one complete year. P1 R into T. What is the value of P? It is 50,000. What is rate? It is 8. And for timing, what will write? It is 1 upon 100. Now 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 5 8 40, and 2 more zeros are there. Right? You just cross check. It is 50,000. Sorry, here now instead of 8 we need to write 4. That is the mistake here. It is 4%, not 8, because half yearly is there. So 50,000 0, so it will be 5 4 20 and 00. What is the interest? It is rupees 2,000. Okay, so therefore amount at the end of first half yearly, first half here is equals to P plus I1, P1 plus I1. What is P1? That was 50,000. What is I1? That is 2,000. So this will be rupees 52,000. This amount is amount at the end of first year, and this is equals to principal for second half year, and we will use the symbol P2. Now interest for second half year, I2 is equals to P2 into R into T upon 100. What was P2 just now? We got the value. P2 is 52000, so it is 5 52,000, rate was 4%, timing is 1, first half year 0000. Now 0, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, right? Therefore amount at the end of second half year is equals to A2, and that will be P2 plus I2. What is P2? This is P2, this is I2. P2 plus I2. What is P2? 52,000, and this is 2080 rupees. So 80, and it is 54080. 54,080 rupees. Amount at the end of second half year, and this is equals to P3. What is P3? Principal for last half year. Principal for third half yearly. Therefore interest for third half year is equals to I3, and I3 is equals to P3 into R upon T upon 100. What is P3? P3 is 54080. This amount 54,080 rupees into rate is what? 4%, time is 100. 0 cancelled, and we will multiply this. 5408 into 4 divided by 10. So it is 4 8 ja 32, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, and 1. 21632 by 10. So what is interest? Interest was 2163.20. 2163.20, that is the interest for third year. So finally, what is the final amount, or third year at the end of third half yearly? What is the amount? Final amount is equals to what? Final amount is equals to P3 plus I3, means what? 54080 plus 216320. Added 20, 3, 8 and 6 14, remainder 112, 426 and 5, 56,243. Let me check the answer. That much rupees is the final amount. And what is compound interest? Final amount minus principal. What is final amount? 56,223, 43.20 minus 50,000. So the answer will be 6,243.2 rupees. Thank you, children.